Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tips with PowerVision and the PowerRay. Today we're going to be talking about a new accessory that we just received and I'm pretty excited about it. Now if you own a PowerRay right now, you probably are a little upset with one little thing, and that would be having to wind this 225 foot of cable back up after each use of the PowerRay. Now some of you guys out there are probably really crafty and have built something to wrap this thing around, but we have come up with a new spool device for the Tether on the PowerRay, and I'm going to introduce it to you right now. It's got a real nice little box of packaging here. It's a really nice design, and the best thing about it, it fits right into the carrying case. So your worries and troubles of this thing tangling up and going all crazy and getting knotted are now solved with the PowerVision spool. Let's take a look at it. Here we go. This thing's awesome. I've already used it once and I'm pretty impressed with the design and overall feature of it. It's a really nice thing to have, and it's really compact and super simple. So let's take this out of the plastic. We'll go ahead and put this here. It's got a real cool modular design here so that the spool fits perfectly inside of it. Get this plastic off and I'll show it to you in all its glory. Very cool design. It's got actually a handle here, so if you want to hold and roll, or you could actually put something into here, maybe some kind of turnkey or something, to where you can actually get this thing to spool it up. You got a couple different options, but what I've found to be most useful is holding it just like so. Taking your cord, I don't want to take this one out because this is for this unit, but it just starts right in here. The one thing you want to really remember is that when you're taking the cord out, you want to make sure that you leave enough slack on the first roll so that this end hangs so that you can get access to it, okay? Same thing with the back side. So I would basically pull this cord. Let's see if I can pull a little bit of it out. Okay, I would take it, wrap it here, put one wrap around, and then kind of just hold it out like there, and then start rolling it back up like this, you know? So this is going to be a game changer for all of you guys out there who have a PowerRay already and are really frustrated with how the cord, doesn't, coil back up as good as it comes in the packaging. This is the solution to all of those problems. I suggest you go online to our website at powervision.me and go ahead and look for this. I don't know if it's available just yet. I think they're on their way here. They should probably, my best guess would be March 1st, these should be available. So go to our website, check it out, and if I'm told correctly, moving forward, every wizard that is going to be made will have this inserted into the box. I'm not sure if we're gonna offer the people who already have wizards this at a discount or maybe even gratis, but I'm not sure. Once I do find out, I'll update you in another video and let you guys know. But this is the brand new PowerVision Tether spool, and like I said, it fits perfectly right into the carrying case. It fits right into that little square section. You just roll it up and you're good to go. Also, be on the lookout. We're going to be offering very soon multiple sizes on the tethers. So say you're in your backyard and you want to take the PowerRay for a swim in the pool with the kids. No need to break out the 225 feet. Grab the 25 feet or the 50 feet. If you're in a very small area and you don't need the 225 feet, maybe option for the 100 foot. We're gonna make these available for you guys very soon, and thank you for watching. We will be back very soon with another video. As products keep coming our way and things start happening, we'll make videos on every single thing. If you have any suggestions for a video, leave it in the comments. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Later.